Madam, let me remove your cuticles so that the nail polish has set in perfectly and it looks really nice. We have all heard this a lot of times. Actually, cuticle nahi nikalna hota hai. What is cuticle? What are healthy nails? And what can we do at home to keep our nails healthy? Hi, I'm Dr. Shikha Shah. I'm a Mumbai-based dermatologist. That means we are skin, hair and nail specialists. I'm also known as @Dr. Shikha Says. So nail is basically made up of a protein called as keratin. Your hair is also made up of the same protein, keratin. Now keratin is what is giving the strength to the nails, and that is keeping the nails protected from any injury and also keeping it healthy. Now second, what are the components of our nail? Now this is our nail bed, this main part in the center. The sides are the nail folds. The small clear skin that you can see at the bottom of your nails is called as the cuticle, and this is the free margin of your nail plate. Now your nail bed comprises of all the tissues, nail tissue. So our body is also made up of all the cells, tissues, everything. So now here all your vitamins, minerals, nutrients, everything is required to keep all of this healthy. How does a healthy nail look? It's smooth, shiny, transparent, and it's very uniform in consistency. First most important tip, whenever you're moisturizing your body and your hands, do not forget to moisturize your nails. You can use your body moisturizer or you can use any oils of your favorite choice. So you can put it in and around your nails. You can also use petroleum jelly. Very simple. Second, whenever you sanitize your hands or you're washing your hands or you're using detergents, after that make sure you moisturize your hands. Third, if you already have nail problems, don't keep your nails or hands basically immersed in water for too long. Fourth, do not use your nails as tools to open the can or anything like that. Use an opener please, because this can weaken your nail further. Fifth, when you're going to the salons regularly for nail cosmetics or nail polish, gel polishes, whatever, so give it a break for some time. Let your nail breathe. So when you give it the time without any polish, without any procedure, it starts to repair and strengthen itself. Try using acetone-free nail polish removers. Those are better than acetone. And last but not the least, when you go to get your manicures or treatments done, make sure that the instruments are sterilized. Second, the cuticle which I spoke about, the lower bottom edge of your nail, that's the thin skin that's there, it's basically there for a reason in our body. That's basically protecting your nail and the skin around the nail from any outside germs, bacteria or anything toxic. So when you remove that, when they remove the cuticle completely, the entry of the germs, bacteria is very quick and that can cause an infection in the nail. What are the signs of infection in your nail? It can be pain and swelling around the nails. You can feel that there's some pus happening or discoloration happening. Anything abnormal, please consult a dermatologist. So what do you do if you don't remove the cuticle? You basically just trim it. You can soak your hands in warm water and then just trim the cuticle, or you can push it slightly inside. Do not over push the cuticles also. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts, please comment below so that we can answer all your doubts.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.